once again welcome all of you in maths online class. Students, in this video I will be explaining and solving the remaining question of exercise 4C. So before the remaining questions, firstly I will explaining the previous homework of the exercise 4C. And you know what was the previous homework? Previous homework was question number 6 and 8. So let's start now today's topic. First question is a divide. First question was divide. So here is the first question, minus 5.6 by 1 upon minus 2. You know how we can divide? So 5 upon 6, write the 5.6, then we use the division sign, this is, and then we write the second fraction 1 upon minus 2. 1 upon minus 2. Now you know division rule. In the division rule we write the opposite of the division sign, and what is the opposite of division sign? Multiplication, and write the reciprocal of the second fraction. So 5 upon 6 keep the same, and then multiply, then minus 2 upon 1. Minus 2 upon 1 is the reciprocal of 1 upon minus 2. Understood? Then we observe again, then we check if any numerator or denominator divisible each other. Yes, here is a 2 and 6 are divisible each other. So we can divide or we can cancel them. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 5 upon 3 multiply by minus 1 upon 1. So you can multiply 5 minus 1 upon 3, then answer will be minus 5 upon 3. So this is the answer. You can also write in a simplest form, means you can write in a mixed fraction. And what will be? Minus 3 1s are 3 and then 2 upon 3. Both are answer. You can use both for answer. Now next, what is the 50 upon 77 by minus 25. So write the 50 upon 77. 50 upon 77, and then what is saying? The by minus 25. So division, then 25, and 25 we can write with one denominator. Understood na? How we can write? Okay, then 50 upon 77 multiply, then reciprocal of 1 upon 25 upon 1. This is 1 upon 25. Here this is a multiplication. So you can multiply first, or you can firstly change the denominator, negative denominator in a positive denominator. Means आप इसको चाहे पहले multiply करो या फिर पहले इसको change कर दो positive में, फिर उसके बाद multiply करो. यहाँ कोई किसी पे effect नहीं पड़ने वाला है. So you can check it. 50 multiplied by 1, 77 multiplied by minus 25. Okay. Then 50 and 25 is divisible. 25 1s are 25 2s are. Understood? Then we get the 2 upon minus 77. Yes or no? 2 upon minus 77. Then keep in mind, in rational number, answer always we write with the positive denominator. So this is not in a positive denominator. So we write in a positive denominator. How we can write? You know, we can write by multiplying minus 1 and minus 1 in a numerator and denominator both. Then minus 2 upon 77. So this is the answer of this question. Now question number 9. So what is the question number 9? Question number 9 is the product of two number is minus 35 upon 18, and if one number is 5 upon 12, so find the other. Question is saying the product of two number is minus 35 upon 18, and if one number is a 5 upon 12, so find the other number. So how we can find? I explained in the previous video how we can find by the division. If the question is saying product find, so we find by the division method. So therefore what is the given here? Given is the product of two number minus 35 upon 18 and given number 5 upon 12. Understood na? Then therefore this is the symbol of the therefore, sign of therefore. So therefore other number, what is the other number? Given number, product of given number upon 18 divide by the given number. 5 upon 12. Understood? Then minus 35, keep the same or write the same, because we can write only the second fraction of reciprocal. Then multiply division, write as a multiplication, then 12 upon 5. It is okay na? Okay. Then minus 35 multiply by 12 upon 18 multiply by 5. Understood this step? Yeah. Next, go ahead. Then what? Observe or we check any number, any numerator or denominator is divisible. If divisible, so firstly we divide or cancel them, then we write the answer. Here 35 and 5 is divisible. Divisible means अगर वो किसी के टेबल में table से you know table, so you can divide, otherwise you now in a problem. So 5 1s are 5 and 5 7s are 5 and 35 divisible. So what is left here? Minus 7 multiplied by 12 upon 18 multiplied by 1. Then 18 and 12 divisible by which number? यहाँ हम divide सिर्फ same number से कर सकते हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि 6 से फिर इसको 4 से कर दें. We can divide same number. So 18 and 12 is divisible by 6. 6 2s are 6 3s are. Understood? Then minus 7 multiplied by 2 upon 3 multiplied by 1. Now 7 2s are 14 upon 3. So which type fraction? This is the improper. This is also answer in a rational number. So but you can, if want, you can write in a mixed fraction, but this is the answer of this question. Minus 14 upon 3 is the required number. Now next question of the exercise, first 13, then 14, then 15. Remaining question of the exercise 4C. 13 is express the rational number in a decimal form. Means question is saying write in decimal form. So how we can write in decimal form? So you know by the division method. You also study in a decimal chapter, and I think you understand. So how we can write any rational number, and this is also form the fraction. ये fraction का प्री फॉर्म है, आपको ये आता है. You understood? You know how we can write the any fraction in decimal form by division method. By divide which number? Numerator divide by denominator. इसमें क्या होता है? When the question is saying write the any fraction in decimal form, so you know how we can convert any fraction in decimal form and any decimal in a fraction form. So any fraction or rational number we can convert by the division method. Numerator divide by denominator. So what is here numerator? Here is a 1. Now 1 divide by 4. So look here, 1 is a, in division you know dividend always should be greater than divisor, but here is a dividend is a less than. So we need the decimal here, and you know what is the property of decimal. If you use the decimal in the quotient, then quotient give a 1 0. Now here is a 4, then 1 0, then 10. Now we have a 10, and we can divide 4 2s are 4 to the 10, then 4 2s are 8. Sorry, 4 2s are 8, then 2 and decimal property. You know decimal property. Always give a 1 0 in each and every step where we need 0. Now 4 5s are 20. So this is a very easy question. This is just question of the class 5. How we can convert any decimal into the fraction and fraction into the decimal form. So what is the answer? 0.25. Same as here. 1 upon 8 here is a. So easily you can find 1 divide by 8, 0. We take the 0 here. Now we have 10. 8 ones are 8. What we get? 2, 0. Then 8 2s are 16. Then now 4. Then again decimal give a 1 0. Now 8 5s are 40. Then answer will be 0.125 in a decimal form. This rational number in decimal form what? 0.125, and this rational number in the decimal form what? 0.25. 0.125. This is the 1 upon 8 and 0.12. And then question this is the write the answer in decimal up to 3 digit. 2/9। क्वेश्चन कर रहा है कि इसको एक्सप्रेस करिए डेसिमल में, लेकिन कहां तक, 3 डिजिट। दिस इज नॉट अ डिविजिबल, एंड दिस टाइप डिवीजन ना यू कैन से नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग। ये मतलब कि आप इसमें डिवीजन नहीं हो पाएगा, आपको डिवाइड दिस आंसर नॉट पॉसिबल होगा। तो जब आंसर नहीं पॉसिबल होता है तो हम कहां तक फाइंड करते हैं आंसर, डेसिमल के 3 डिजिट तक, मैक्सिमम 3 डिजिट तक, उसके बाद नहीं फाइंड करते। इन दिस क्वेश्चन सेइंग द find the answer in up to 3 digit. So when the question is saying find the decimal up to 3 digit, so we find up to 4 digit, because here is one rule work. So listen how, which rule, 2, so divide by 9, 2 is not divisible line, decimal 0, decimal हो गया, अब 0 देगा, then 9 2s are 18, then again 2। अब ये टर्म क्या होगा, रिपीट होता जाएगा, और ये डिवीजन क्या होगा, इसका कोई आंसर नहीं मिल पाएगा। तो क्या करोगे आप, 3 डिजिट तक कर रहा है तो 3 डिजिट तक फाइंड करो, कहां तक, 4 डिजिट तक फाइंड करते हैं हम। तो लुक हियर, देन डेसिमल की पावर अगेन 10, देन अगेन 2, देन अगेन 18, अगेन सब्ट्रैक्ट अगेन 2, देन अगेन 18, देन अगेन सब्ट्रैक्ट अगेन 2, अगेन 18, व्हाट, एंड ही कंटिन्यू हो जाएगा। But question is saying up to 3 digit. So now we have sufficient up to 4 digit. Look here. What is the rule? What is it? 2.222. Question क्या है कि 3 digit तक find करो, आप find करो 4 digit, फिर then you observe the last digit, mean 4th digit. So if the 4th digit here less than 5, so write the same answer up to 3 digit. हम 3 डिजिट तक सेम वही राइट कर देंगे, अगर 4th डिजिट क्या है, 5 से लेस है। बट इन केस इफ 4th डिजिट इज मोर देन 5, so then we add the one number in the previous, mean 3rd digit। 3rd डिजिट में हम एक नंबर ऐड कर देंगे, 1 नंबर ऐड कर देंगे। बट हियर इज 2 इज लेस देन, यहां 2 लेस है, तो आंसर विल बी 0.222 up to 3 dB, 3 decimal place, 3 decimal place. Suppose that if any question you find, any question answer you find in this form 0.638 and 7, 638 and 7, and ये उसके बाद कंटिन्यू होता जाएगा, लेकिन आपको कर रहा है 3 डिजिट फाइंड करना है, तो कहां तक फाइंड करोगे, up to 4 digit। then we observe the up to 4 digit। so what is the 4 digit here is 7, and 7 is more than 5, तो आप क्या करो, सेम राइट नहीं हो पाएगा आंसर, तो 0.3 and 9, 8 क्या हो जाएगा वो 9। so now question number 15। so question number 15 is, this is the last question of the exercise। some questions are left, again we explain in the next video। 0.84 write in a simplest form। so how we can write this question in simplest form? firstly we write the fraction form, and you know how we can write any decimal in a fraction form, 0.84। so we observe the decimal place here after 2 digit, 2 digit means, so when we write in a fraction form, then we write in denominator 20 and then 1, and means in this when we convert any decimal into the fraction, so denominator always depend on the decimal places। if 1 decimal place, so denominator will be 10, if 2 decimal place, the denominator will be 100, if 3 decimal place, the denominator will be 1000। and now here is write the same number, what, 84, then 84 upon 100 is divisible by a number। अगर 84 या फिर किसी बिगर नंबर का टेबल नहीं आ रहा है, तो फर्स्टली यू कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द 2, so 2 4s are 2 2s are, understood, then 50 means 42 2s are 84, then 52s are 100, then 42 upon 50, okay, then this number 42 upon 50 is divisible by 2, yes, then 21 upon 25, 21 upon 25, now 21 and 25 is not divisible by any same number, we cannot divide by any same number, so this is the last answer, 21 upon 25। 5. So 21 upon 25 is the simplest form of 0.84. I think understood everyone. So okay, student, this was all about for today, and today's your homework. Today's your homework as solve the exercise 4C question number 13, 14 and 15. 13, 14 and 15. So this is your homework. So write your name, class and section in comment box for the attendance. So thank you and take care.